Okay guys, good morning. So today we have another show happening at the Brown County and Pigeon Poultry Association. This is usually held in New Ulm, Minnesota, and that's where we are right now. And you know, it's that time of year again where people start showing off their birds and everything. I think this is the sales section. I'm quite early today. I'm actually, I think about 30 minutes to an hour early. There are no people here to show quite yet. There's only a couple birds in right now. Not a lot of people here yet. The setup is a lot smaller than last year. Last year when I made that video, there was rows and rows and rows and rows and rows and rows and rows of just show birds everywhere. But not today. Today it's a little different. It's a little different today. But yeah, this is what it's like here today. Got a bunch of birds here. I'm gonna have to do a run around, get a little bit of everything once everybody's set and ready to go. Again, we just got here. It just started. I mean, it just opened, so we're gonna get some more birds. So look at all these birds, and most of these cages are still empty. So we'll be getting some more later. So look at these guys. Oh, look at these guys. Voerbergs. I love these guys. When you coo at them, they coo back at you, much like most other pouter breeds out there. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, this guy's dancing. Wow. Look at this guy. Oh my goodness. This is actually, this is a hen. What's up, buddy? Is that your girl? No? Maybe. Nice little red check. Another yellow. Very nice one. And then we got some pygmies. Little pygmy pouters. Wow. More pygmies. Whoa. Here we got some Norwich croppers. Look at them balloon animals. These balloon pigeons. Trying to hold in a cough. You know, it's Corona season. They don't want people to get suspicious. So they just hold their coughs in. They can't cough. Look at them. That was crazy. A crazy breed. These birds look fun, but I can never see myself owning them. They just look like a lot of work and maintenance. And a lot must be done for them to be kept healthy and happy, I'm assuming. This one's deflated. Let's see if we can get him inflated up. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, this one's cooling back at me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, no, he's done. There we go. Here we got a dancer. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? Oh yeah, you're a show-off, aren't you? Come back here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Whose bird is this, huh? It doesn't really say the person's name. Whoa. I think Moto likes you. Come back here, buddy. Too bad this guy's not for sale. I would love him. Nice fella. All right, let's keep going. Here we got some Horsemen. There's a nice blue bar, another nice blue bar. And look at this. Look at this guy. These are Horseman thief pouters. Wow. I like this one. I like that color. That's a nice color. Here's another blue bar, or yellow bar, I guess. It says yellow bar grizzle right here, but it looks more like a blue bar to me, but I know next to nothing, so I'm not an expert. Oh, we got one about the same color as Sweetie back home. If you guys remember Sweetie, I got her last year. I think this is from the same breeder. This might be a relative of Sweetie. Sweetie, my Horseman thief powder. My super tame Sweetie, who I got from Rick Wood of Sleepy Eye, Minnesota. Oh, wow, look at you guys. Here we got another blue bar. Another blue bar. And we got a blue grizzle. Wow. Very nice. Another blue grizzle with a bar. Nice. And here we get to the really tall, lanky birds with big balloon necks. English powder. Wow. That's a tall standing pigeon. They're like pygmy powders, but like 4 times bigger. Yeah, they're like pygmy powders, but 4 times bigger. English powders. Look at this guy. This guy stands tall. I think of all these English powders, I think this guy's my favorite right here. Yeah, this guy's definitely my favorite. All right, let's keep going. Good guys. Here we got a Texan Pioneer. Small head, big body looking bird. Very fancy. Here we got a Swiss Mundane. Very beautiful Swiss Mundane. Very nice. Some more Swiss Mundanes, or Utility Kings. So that's a Swiss Mundane right there. This is a Utility King. Another Utility King. A nicer Utility King. Wow. Very fancy. More Utility Kings. Here we get to the Show Kings. What a neat color. It's like a red lace of sorts. Very nice. Another one. Wow. Here we got a little black one. Oh, look at this puffy fella. Look at you. Another Show King. Wow. What a prominent stance. Oh. Very broad shoulders. There's another one. Another one. Look at you. that's it for the show kings, I think. Now we get to the runts. Here's a white runt. Very handsome. Kind of small. Looks like a young bird yet. Nice big full head. This is actually bred by my buddy Bob. Bob the pastor, Pastor Bob. Look at you. Here's another one. A bigger boy. A giant blue bar runt. Look at you. Wow. Hopefully this year we'll see that Almond from last year. Yep. Here we start getting to the Polish links. Oh wait, guys. Uh-oh, we're in for a treat, guys. Is the Almond guy here today?
No.
No? Never mind. Wow.
Look, this one.
Is that eagle?
No, this one is the girl, but I don't think she's as good as the other one.
Oh, wow. My goodness, how do you guys do it?
She's got somebody that's very good to her.
Wow.
She's got somebody that helps her.
Yeah, we'll wait for them to finish putting them in. Wow.
I like these.
My goodness. Oh my goodness. Got another runt here. Another Almond runt, I think. Yeah. Not the same one from last year. This is a different bird, but from the same breeder. And she's got real nice birds, guys. And right here, we got a giant runt. You guys see this? I've never seen an Almond giant runt before. This is my first time seeing an Almond giant runt. At first, I didn't think it was possible, but here's one sitting right here. Really nice looking bird. Just look at that. There's another one, silver. Wow. Very beautiful, very nice. Wow. Again.
She needs to be white. She needs to be white a little. She kind of got dirty.
Wow. I think you got more champions again. It's a little hard to compete with these guys in here.
I like the eagle. She likes the special colors. They're hard to find.
Okay, so we're back to the Polish lynx where we left off. Look at this guy. Look at the color in his neck. I'm not sure if you guys can see the color in his neck, but that's amazing. The dash of purple. Bronze and purple. That's amazing. What a nice colored bird. What's up, buddy? Alright, let's keep going. We got some red ones. Another red Polish lynx. And then we got the French mundanes. The fancy boys. I think Bob is gonna get this one too. Bob the pastor. Pastor Bob. I think most of these are his. Look at this one. I love this. Look at that color pattern. What a snazzy looking bird. Here we got some more French mundane. This guy's the biggest one, I think, out of all the French mundanes here. Yeah, it's pretty big. Wow.
Hey.
How's it going? Okay, let's continue. Thank you. Here we have the carnos. Here's the basic color for carnos. They're always going to be, most carnos usually are recessive red. That's just the thing with their breed. But they do come in different colors, such as yellow, white, black, and red. Those are colors they come in. But they originate. As I was saying, originally, carnos were originally recessive red, but they've been selectively bred and people added different colors to them. Here we got an American Giant Homer. These guys are always fun to look at. What size, buddy? Ha! Look at that little guy singing to this little, this big fella. Hilarious. Here we got some more. This one's a little blue bar. Alright, wait, never mind. It's a colored bar. There's a blue check. Look at you with your strong looking posture and big nose. Oh wow, we got an almond there. Wow. Here's the almond. Wow. Look at that. I'm not sure if you guys can see his color, but that's an almond. Mostly white in the wings. We got some flecking on his neck, some bronze. Here's another one. Another blue bar. Yeah, there's a bunch of these, so I'm just gonna skim through them real quick. More checks, and opal, and I think this is what they call opal and illusion. Very pretty. Very pretty. And some more checks. Spread. Oh, hello, sir. Wow. This one. Oh, wow. Oh, calm down, calm down. Whoa. Look at this. It says here this is a fade. Fade. Haircut. Fade. Nice. Here we got another red one. And illusion. Nice. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let's continue. So we got some Dewlaps here. These are weird Dewlaps. I've never seen Dewlaps with frills in their wings. Maybe that's like something genetic or something, who knows, but I've never seen Dewlaps with frills. This guy's got frills on him, like a Frillback. See that? Those little frills on his wings, curly feathers. Never seen such a thing before. Here we go, we're gonna continue. We got some more Dewlaps here. This is more of the common look for Dewlaps. Yeah, I think I like this a little bit more than the frills. The Dewlaps with frills look kind of funny to me. But these guys are, you know, Dewlaps in general are weird, but because of that neck bulge that they have, they just look silly. But they look fun at the same time. Here we have some, I don't even know how to pronounce this. Can you guys pronounce this? Shakasharli. I can't even say that. Shaksharli? Something like that. What a weird breed. I think these are very popular in the Middle East. People really like to fly these in the Middle East, I think. I think this is my favorite by far from the Shikarli, Scarly, something, yeah. Yeah, this is my favorite one from the batch here. From the batch of 3 here. It's my favorite one. And we got some Syrian Fantails. Very weird. To me, they look like rollers with fantails. It just looks silly. See that? They look like garden fantails mixed with rollers. That's pretty funny. Yeah, I don't like this as much. I think I prefer the actual Indian fantail. But sad thing about today, there are no fantails today. No Indian fantails, at least. There's a bunch of Syrian fantails and American fantails, but not much for Indian fantails, and that's sad. Because Indian fantails are probably my favorite breed. Yep. Here we got some West of England tumblers. I'll just do it from the top. That looks a lot better. There's a black one, blue bar, red. I'm not sure what color this is, but there's bronze in it. Maybe it's a kite. I think this might be kite. Could be wrong though. It's a very pretty bird. Look at the colors on him. Very calm too. Not a very wild bird. Some lower. Whoa. This one's got some pretty good muffs. Look at the muffs on this guy. Really big and wild muffs. Nice. Another one. Red bar. Hey, guy. Here we got some Figuritas here. Too bad they don't have any for sale. I got a buddy I got a cousin. Oh my goodness, this guy. I don't think he understands that no one can understand what he says when he speaks into the speaker, to the microphone, but oh well, because I couldn't catch a single word he said, but here's the Figurita. Too bad they don't have these for sale. I got a relative who really wants them. No, they're not for sale right now too. I mean, there's none in the sales section, which we will get to after we look at all the birds. Yep. A little black one. Blue check. A brown. Wow. Nice. There's a bunch of Figuritas this year. Just nothing but Figuritas in this section. All the way until the end. Figuritas. The smallest breed of pigeon, I think. Yeah, smallest breed. Okay, so here we have Lahores. Everyone likes Lahores. They got fancy pajama pants, bell-bottom jeans. They come in really nice colors. Wow. Hello. We got a little yellow here. A nice red. What's wrong, buddy? Oh, you look fat. Look at this fat guy. You're a big fella. Smaller little one. Ooh. Another chubby guy. Alright, let's get going. Lahores. I think they're showing right here. There we go. think they're judging right now, so we're gonna not get involved in that. Let them do their thing. It's like a little brown one right here. Huh. Nice. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, so here we have some frillbacks. Oh, they're wild. Look at this guy though. It's red. I'm assuming this is a blue bar. Yeah, it's a blue bar. But this one's wild. Alright, buddy, I'll leave you alone. Calm down now. We got a Nash red one right here. Nice. Red grizzle. Yeah. Red grizzle. Blue grizzle. Blue grizzle. Okay guys, I think we're just about done here. Things are wrapping up pretty quick. This year wasn't as big as last year. Not a lot of people showed up, but I think that's due to the pandemic. So everyone out here is wearing a mask. Not a lot of people showed up. Not a lot of birds either. I mean, sure there are a lot of birds here, but not a lot of birds for show. A lot of empty cages. Oh well. This year, I mean, well, today's goal for me was to pick up some Indian Fantails, but the gentleman who was gonna bring Indian Fantails, you know, I made a deal with him through the phone, but when he got here, he sold them the first moment he was able, you know, they were gone basically. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. It happens, but. Yeah, here we're in the sales section right now. Got some really beautiful homers. These are like tortoiseshell grizzles right here, with some pure whites in there. These are show homers going through some molts. You can see that guy's a little naked in the neck, a little pin feathery in the neck. Here we have some Horseman, baby Horseman, thief pouters. Little squeakers yet. They still got some orange fuzz, the yellow fuzz on their head. Here we got some pretty Horsemen. Young birds right here too. These are the old birds. There's a nice chocolate Horseman thief powder right there. Can't be helped. We got some homers. Here's some more homers. Out. We got some German owls, some what are these called? Flying, oh, just flying rollers. Okay, cool. We got some neat looking birds in here. These are also rollers. More rollers. American Fantail right here, but I'm not here for American Fantails. I showed up for Indian Fantails, not American Fantails, folks. Yep, some more homers. Not a lot to choose from today, but I guess that happens sometimes. But I think we'll be heading out here pretty soon. I didn't pick up much today at all, so don't expect to see much today, but I'll showcase what I got when I get home. All right, catch you guys later.